Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 11th September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was, which city has launched sanitization on one call service? Delhi, Mumbai, Lucknow, Kolkata. The correct answer here is Lucknow. Option C is correct here. Lucknow is the first city in India to having launched the sanitization on one call service. Okay. Our second question was, who has released the State of Young Child in India report? Venkaiah Naidu, Narendra Modi. Option C, Amit Shah. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Venkaiah Naidu. Option A is correct here. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu has released the State of Young Child in India report. The report measured the health and nutrition in the country. The report measured health and nutrition in the country. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when Suicide Prevention Day is observed? 10 September, 11 September, 15 August or 20 August? The correct answer here is 10 September. On 10 September, World Suicide Prevention Day is observed. International Association for Suicide Prevention has observed the World Suicide Prevention Day on 10 September. Okay, it is observed on 10 September due to the various stress and strain, various person having trying to suicide. So Suicide Prevention Day is observed on 10 September. According to the last report on 2019, about 381 suicide case is recorded per day in our India. Okay. Next question. Who became the brand ambassador of Players Port? Smriti Mandana, Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. As per you see the image of both here, correct answer here is option C, both A and B. Both Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Smriti Mandana became new brand ambassador of the fantasy sports gaming platform Players Port. Okay, you can see the image of Smriti Mandana here and Bhuvneshwar Kumar here. Recently, both are selected as the brand ambassador of the Players Port. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who became new president of National School of Drama? Anupam Kher, Amitabh Bachchan, Paresh Rawal. Option D, Akshay Kumar. As per you see the image of Paresh Rawal here, option C is correct here, Paresh Rawal. Okay, Bollywood actor and former MP of Lok Sabha, Paresh Rawal have been appointed as the new chairman of National School of Drama. Okay, and he was appointed by President Ramnath Kovind. Okay, so remember that the new president and the chairman of National School of Drama, short form it is also known as NSD. Okay, next question. India and which country signed an MOU on reciprocal provision of supplies and services between Armed Forces of India? Australia, Japan, France, Brazil. The correct answer here is Japan. Option B is correct here. Recently, India and Japan signed an agreement concerning reciprocal provision of supplies and service between the Armed Forces of India and the Self-Defense Force of Japan. Okay, recently this MOU is signed between India and Japan. Okay, and remember one thing, that Japan is in news. So recently the Prime Minister of the Japan, Shinzo Abe, resigned from his post because of their poor health condition. Okay, next question. Who has launched Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampad Yojana? Narendra Modi, Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh. Option D, Prakash Javadekar. The correct answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Option A is correct here. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampad Yojana. The scheme aims to enhance fish production to about 70 lakh tons by 2024 to 25. Okay, it is aimed to 70 lakh ton by 2024 to 25. Okay, and it is launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay. Next question. Who was flagged off the South India's fast Kisan Rail? Jagan Mohan Reddy, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, option D Piyush Goyal. The correct answer here is Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. Option A is correct here. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy flagged off India's second and South India's fast Kisan Rail. It is India's second, but South India's fast Kisan Rail. Okay, it was flagged off from Atanpur, Andhra Pradesh to Adarsh Railway Station, Delhi. To Adarsh Railway Station, Delhi. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. You can see the image of also the Kisan Rail here. Next question. Which bank has been topped in East 2.0 index by IBA? HDFC Bank, Bank of Baroda, SBI, option D Oriental Bank. The correct answer here is Bank of Baroda. Option B is correct here. Bank of Baroda has been placed at the first position as per ease of banking reforms index 2.0. Okay, and SBI is in second position and Oriental Bank is in the third position. Okay, first position is achieved by Bank of Baroda, second position is achieved by SBI, and third position is achieved by Oriental Bank. Okay, next question. India's rating forecast contraction of how much percentage in financial year 2021 GDP? 11.8%, 10%, 14%, 12%. The correct answer here is 11.8%. Option A is correct here. The Indian arm of Fitch Rating, India's Rating and Research, has projected India's financial year GDP growth contraction by 11.8%. It is contraction by 11.8%. Minus 11.8%. It is decreased. Okay, in financial year 2021, and it is forecasting by Fitch Rating, the Indian arm of the Fitch Rating. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who hosts the World Solar Technology Summit 2020? DRDO, MHA, ISA, option D none of these. The correct answer here is ISA. Option C is correct here. And ISA stands for International Solar Alliance. International Solar Alliance. Recently, International Solar Alliance hosts the first World Solar Technology Summit. It is held virtually. The summit was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and it was held virtually. And remember the abbreviation is International Solar Alliance. Okay. Next question. Who has launched the Atmanirbhar Bharat Arise ANIC initiative? AIM, Niti Aayog, MHA, ISRO, option D DRDO. The correct answer here is AIM, Niti Aayog. What is the abbreviation of AIM here? Atal Innovation Mission. Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog has launched the Atmanirbhar Bharat Arise ANIC. ANIC abbreviation is Atal New India Challenges. Atal New India Challenges Initiative. Okay, so correct answer here is option A. Okay, and the CEO of Niti Aayog is Amitabh Kant. Amitabh Kant is the CEO of Niti Aayog. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Our first question is, Aapka Mitra mobile chatbot for UG course launched in which state? Our second question is, Anil Jain became new president of which association? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby a regular practice is done by you. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Thank you. Have a great day.